Hello guys, welcome to Honest Review. Today we'll review pet product. So first we'll unbox the product. It's a DIY product which you can do it by yourself. So what we have here is a filter, a water bowl. So first we have to soak the filter in water for about 5 minutes and then rinse it gently. We have to fix the filter here and fix the cap. Okay. And the second step, we have to fix the motor. This is the motor which you have to fix. So the motor goes, the wire of the motor goes here. So we'll fix the motor, the bottom of the container. Okay. And then we'll fix the fountain. So it's a very easy one. Anyone can do this. You don't need any specialty to do it. So we'll fill the bowl with the water. So the bowl will hold somewhere around 2 liters. So as you can see, the water is flowing out of the fountain, and you can see there are a few holes here. These holes will make sure the water keeps recycling, and there is a filter inside which filters the water. So your pet will get a clean water, and it is completely, there is no noise at all. The pets won't be scared of it, and they'll get a complete fresh water. It can run up to 2-3 days. So this product is really good one, which I recommend to most of the pets, which will have access to a fresh water every time they drink.